Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome back, automotive enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the ultimate lineup, the world's top 5 best spark plugs for Honda Civic. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned mechanic, this guide is tailored just for you. So, let's dive in and optimize your Civic's performance. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Bosch 9614 OE Fine Wire Double Iridium Spark Plug Pack of 4. Designed to deliver optimal performance and longevity, these spark plugs are engineered with precision and innovation. With fine wire iridium technology, they ensure efficient ignition and consistent spark, enhancing your engine's power and fuel efficiency. The OE fitment guarantees seamless compatibility, while the pack of 4 provides great value for money. Upgrade your vehicle's ignition system with confidence and experience smoother starts and improved acceleration. Breathe new life into your engine with Bosch's trusted reliability and performance. Number 2. NGK Iridium 9 Spark Plug, the ultimate performance upgrade for your engine. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, these spark plugs deliver maximum power and efficiency, ensuring smooth starts and optimal combustion. With its iridium center electrode, expect superior ignition and extended service life, while the trivalent metal plating enhances corrosion resistance. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up the track, trust NGK for unrivaled performance and reliability. Upgrade your engine with NGK Iridium 9 spark plugs today. Number 3. A Premium Iridium Platinum Spark Plugs Compatible, the ultimate upgrade for your engine performance. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, these spark plugs deliver enhanced ignition, fuel efficiency, and smoother acceleration. Engineered to withstand extreme temperatures and pressures, they ensure reliable performance mile after mile. Plus, easy installation makes them perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Say goodbye to sluggish starts and hello to optimal engine power with A Premium Spark Plugs Compatible. Upgrade today for peak performance on every drive. Number 4. BDFHYK Ignition Coil Pack and Iridium Spark Plugs. This dynamic duo promises to supercharge your engine's performance like never before. Crafted with precision, the ignition coil pack ensures optimal ignition timing, leading to smoother starts and enhanced fuel efficiency. Paired with the iridium spark plugs, you'll experience unparalleled ignition power, igniting the fuel-air mixture with pinpoint accuracy for maximum horsepower and torque. Say goodbye to sluggish starts and hello to a revitalized driving experience with BDFHYK's ignition coil pack and iridium spark plugs. Number 5. Sixity Autos 4PC Denso Platinum TT Spark Plugs. These high-performance spark plugs are compatible with a range of vehicles, delivering enhanced ignition efficiency and prolonged durability. Crafted with Denso's renowned platinum technology, they ensure optimal combustion for smoother engine operation and improved fuel economy. The twin-tip design promotes superior ignitability and minimizes fouling, guaranteeing reliable performance mile after mile. Upgrade your ride with Sixity Autos Denso Platinum TT Spark Plugs for unmatched reliability and driving satisfaction. In conclusion, when it comes to optimizing your Honda Civic's performance, the choice of spark plugs is crucial. After thorough research and testing, these recommended spark plugs stand out for their reliability and efficiency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more updates and informative videos.